Hi guys! Today we're going to do a guided reading lesson on the book, Baby Farm Animals. So go ahead and get a piece of paper or a whiteboard if you have one. If you need to pause this video at any time, just pause it and restart it when you're ready. So we're going to go over some of our review sight words. First one I want you to write is the word the. The. The cow is hungry. The. Okay, go ahead and match it to mine. If it doesn't match, go ahead and fix it. T-H-E, the. All right, the next one we're going to do is the word said. Said. She said to go home. Said. We see that in a lot of our reading. Said. Okay, go ahead and match it to mine. If you have something different, go ahead and fix it. Said is S-A-I-D, said. All right, and our last one is the word come. Please come home. Come. Come. There you go. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. All right, good job, guys. So let's go ahead and look at our book. So our book is called Baby Farm Animals, and let's make a prediction. What do you think this book might be about? Come up with something in your head. Do you think it could be about a farm? Yeah, it definitely could be about a farm. When we look at making a predictions, we look at the cover, we look at the title. How about, do you think this could be about space? No, probably not about space. It could be, but I'm not making a good prediction when I'm looking at the title and the cover if I said space. Could it be about baby animals? Yeah, it could be about baby animals too. So we're going to go ahead and do a picture walk and look at some of the pictures before we start reading. There's a baby animal to start off with. There's some kids just sitting. Do you think they're going to go see some animals? Oh, look, there's chickens. And the chickens go, oh, look, they go cheep, cheep. And there's the cow. What does the cow say? Moo, moo. Looks like he's eating. There's the sheep, or the lamb. It says a baby sheep, and a baby sheep is called a lamb. I want you to look at this page right here, and there's a word you might not have seen before. I want you to find the word wool. Wool. What letter does that start with? Wool. That's right. Right here is wool. Good job. So that is what, like the fur off of the sheep, and they make it into clothes and other things. And that's wool. So you'll see that word when you're reading. Oh, there's a little baby goat. How cute. This one we get to see the mama and the baby ducks. They go quack, quack. The little baby ducks are called ducklings. Aww. So this guy is just talking about all the animals. And he likes the baby ones the best. Oh, in the end here, there's a glossary with lots of pictures. Let's go over these pictures of what they say. So that says calf, cow, goat, nest, cheese, ducklings, kid, pond, chickens, ducks, lamb, sheep, clothes, eggs, milk, and wool. Okay, so you guys are going to go ahead and start reading the story. Remember, if I'm going too fast for you, you can pause it at any time. And that's Baby Farm Animals. Remember, use the pictures and get your mouth ready for that first sound when you're reading the words. So you guys can go ahead and read. So on that page, where does it tell us that they're going today? Where are they going? That's right, they're going to a farm. Good job. So after reading that one, where does the mother chicken lay her eggs? That's right, she lays her eggs in a nest. Good job. I want you to notice on some of these parts, they bold these words, they make them bigger to call them to your attention. So these are what the animal's saying. So this animal says moo, moo. And they've been doing that on many of the pages. So do you guys remember? And after reading that, what is that word from the sheep's fur that gives us to make clothes? Wool, that's right. So what is the word that they said is the same, a baby goat and you are called the same thing? What was it? A kid, that's right. Great job. There's the mother duck and her chicks. What did the duck say in that page? Quack, quack. That's right. So what kind of animals do they love best of all? The baby animals, that's right. So that was baby farm animals. Now, can you think of some of the animals we read about? What's one of them we read about? That's right, we read about chickens and their baby chicks. What's another animal? That's right, a sheep and its baby, a lamb. What's another one? Let's think of one more. A baby goat, and a baby goat is called a kid. Good job, guys. Okay, we're gonna do a quick analogy chart. We've been working on these in school. So instead of you guys just writing them, you're gonna help me figure out where they're gonna go. So in one section, the first one, we're gonna use the word oi, not the word, but the chunk, oi. O-Y says oi. And the second one, you're gonna use a, and A-Y says a. So the word is either gonna go in the first one, oi, or the second one, a. And I'm gonna do the first one for you. So my word is play, play. Would play go under oi or a? Goes under a, right? So I just changed the beginning. P-o, and then it's gonna have a. Good job. Okay, my next word is bay, bay. Would bay go under oi or a? Bay. That's right. It would go under a. A. Bay. We have a. Good job. My next word is may. May. Would it go under oi or a? May. That's right. It also has the a sound. May. Good. Okay, the next word is toy. Toy. Would it go under oi or a? Toy. That's right. It would go under oi. T-O-Y. It has the oi. How about the next word is boy. Boy. Would that go under oi or a? Boy. That's right. Oi. Oi. B-O-Y. Good. Let's do one more. How about the word hay, like horses might eat hay? Would that be under oi or a? Hay. That's right. Good job, guys. That would be under a. Hay. H-A-Y. So that's the difference between oi and a. Great job, guys. We'll see you next time.